Most people spend their entire life working a 9-to-5 job, waking up tired, commuting, waiting for weekends, and then repeating the same cycle for years. But what if you could escape it? Intro. In the United States, millions of people are stuck in the 9-to-5 trap. Not because they're lazy, but because they don't know another way. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step roadmap to escape the 9-to-5 job without risking everything. 1. Understand the trap. A 9-to-5 job gives you stability, but it also limits your freedom. You trade time for money, and no matter how hard you work, your income stays limited because time is limited. 2. Build a side income. You don't quit your job first, you build income first. Start with a side hustle, freelancing, content creation, online business. Even $100 to $500 per month is a strong start. 3. Scale your income. Once you start earning, focus on growing it. Improve your skills, increase your rates, expand your income sources. Your goal, make at least 50 to 70% of your salary outside your job. 4. Create a safety net before quitting. Build savings, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This gives you confidence and removes fear. 5. Plan your exit. Don't quit emotionally, quit strategically. When your side income is stable and your savings are ready, that's when you make your move. Reality check. Escaping the 9-to-5 is not easy. It takes time, it takes discipline, but it's possible, and thousands of people are doing it every day. Outro. So don't quit your job tomorrow. Start building your freedom today. Because real freedom comes from income that doesn't depend on your time. Subscribe for more business, money, and freedom content, because your journey is just getting started.